In this tutorial, you are going to learn how to activate two-factor authentication in LinkedIn. If you want to learn more about 2FA or two-factor authentication, please check this playlist on this YouTube channel. On your dashboard, you need to click on the bio profile and need to go to settings down below. I'll go to sign in and security. And then there's an option, the second last option. It's called two-step verification. It is off and I need to turn it on. I'll click on it and then I need to set it up. So a 6-digit verification has been sent to my email. Okay, I'll go to my Gmail and copy it. So here it is. I have the code here. Let me copy it. Then copy. Then I submit. So I'll choose my verification method, that is the Authenticate app, or you can use the SMS. Password, I think it is auto-generated. Okay, I'll need to copy this key. At least LinkedIn allows copying. I'll go to my Authenticator app. Google Authenticator app doesn't allow screen recording or screenshotting. That is why you are seeing a black screen. So I'll click on the add button, enter setup key, MaxPyTech, then I'll paste the key and then I'll add it. After it is added, I need to go back to my, okay, let me wait for it to load. Okay, 766,234. 766,234. Need to verify. And that's it. Two-step verification is on. For more productivity tips and tutorials, follow us.